Daily Dispatch, Day 10, the Before and After Test. The first proof of repair wasn't a feeling, it was a repeatable test. The test, band practice. Day 7, performance under a neurochemical tremor. Effortful, shaky, the system was online but redlining. Day 10, effortless recall of structures, stable execution, a glance at the notebook out of habit, not need. This is the filing system and motor circuits visibly optimizing. It's the first sober objective strike against the unified deficit. The internal climate is changing. The constant noise of the nervous tummy and chattering mind is breaking apart, becoming fluid. Energy once spent on sheer endurance is now free for building. You see it in the protocols. The notepad is used in calm procedure, not panic. The focus shifts from internal maintenance to external construction. Even the background hum of the morning worry loop is gone, a sign of the prefrontal cortex steadying. This isn't a finish line, it's the entry into a new phase of the slog. The tools are better, the hands are steadier. The work has moved from emergency repair to deliberate calibration.